Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable internal sound for screen recording in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings here. Then scroll down and you will find shortcuts and accessibility. Just click on that. Here just go to S capture and here you will find record system audio. Yes, here you can see record system audio. Just to turn on this button so that sound from your phone will be recorded while you do screen recording. That is, suppose if you are playing any game, then game will have sound. That internal sound will be recorded to your phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable record system audio, that is internal sound for screen recording in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.